Finite while loop, infinite while loop. Next subheading, finite while loop. Finite while loop. Finite while loop means finite while loop means at any one point of time, at any one point of time, our while condition, our while condition, our while condition become fail. The finite while loop means at any one point of time, our while condition become fail. Our while condition become fail. Syntax. While condition and statements. Statement 1, statement 2, up to so on statement n. Finite while loop means at any one point of time, our while condition become fail. Start the program execution. Whenever control reach the while condition, you check that while condition. Whenever while condition is true, control will go to while block and the while block logic is executed. Executed. After executing the while block, control will go to outside the while loop. Whenever our while condition is true, then only control will go to while loop and while block is executed. This loop is continuously executed. Stop. Whenever control will go to outside the loop, or whenever our while condition become fail. This is the while loop execution flow. Okay, here this while block is executed repeated number of times. It's maybe either 0 time or 1 time or a number of times, depends upon our while condition. Whenever our while condition fails, then immediately control will go to outside the while loop. Whenever our while condition, whenever our while condition become fail, then immediately our control go to outside the loop, outside the while loop, outside the while loop. Whenever our while condition become fail, then immediately our control goes to outside the while loop, outside the while loop. Write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers. write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers. Natural numbers. Okay, take the number as a input. How to take the number as a input? By using input function, enter your number. In Python 3.x, we can take any number as a input. By default, that value taken as a string format. That string is converting into integer. That's why I'm using int function. Next one, starting number 1. My requirement 1 to n. That's why I'm taking as a starting number I value is 1. While I less than or equal to num. That means I want to print finally this num value also. That's why I'm taking as a less than or equal to. If you don't require this number, simply we are using less than symbol. Next one, print that I value. Next one, I value I want to increment it. Simply in C language, we are using I++. Now I'm trying to using I++ in our Python program. Then immediately we'll get the error message. Already we are discussing Python don't supporting both increment and decrement operators concept, but achieve that concept indirectly by using shorthand assignment operator concept. Simply I plus equal to 1. That means what is the statement? That meaning I equal to I plus 1. Now I am passing 10, 1 to 10 natural numbers are printed under print by statement. Whenever this condition is failed, then immediately control will go to outside the while loop. Outside the while loop, print by statement is printed. When I am observing very clearly, initially I am taking the number as a 5. My requirement 1 to 5, that natural numbers I want to print it. That is my requirement. Starting number is which one? 1. Now check the condition. 1 less than or equal to 5. Now condition is true or false? Condition is true. That's why control will go to while loop. In that while loop, what is the first statement? Print I value. What is the I value? What is I value? 1. 1 is printed. Next one, I value is updated. I equal to I plus 1. I plus 1 means already I value is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now I value is 2. This is a loop. Again, control will go to again, which one? Condition. Next, second iteration, 2 less than or equal to 5. Now condition is true or false? Condition is true. Now print statement. What is the I value? Now what is the I value? 2. Print I value is 2. Next I value is updated. I equal to I plus 1. Already I value is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Again control go to while condition. Check the condition. 3 less than or equal to 5. Now condition is true or false? Condition is true. Control will go to while loop. Print I value. What is the I value? 3. 3 is printed. Next one, I value is updated. Old I value is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Again, control will go to while condition. Check the condition. 4 less than or equal to 5. Now, condition is true or false? Condition is true. Control will go to while loop. Print what is the I value? 4. 4 is printed. Next I value is updated. I equal to I plus 1. Already I value is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Next again control will go to while condition. 5 less than or equal to 5. Now this condition is true. Now whenever this condition is true, print I value is 5. Now I value is updated. I equal to I plus 1. Old I value is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Next again control will go to while condition. Now check the condition 6 less than or equal to 5. Now condition is true or false? False. Whenever while condition is fail, then immediately control will go to outside the while loop. Outside the while loop, print by statement is executed. Okay, whenever control will go to while loop means that means whenever our while condition is true. Okay, whenever our while condition is fail, control will go to outside the loop. That is the execution. Okay, once these statements are executed, again control will go to while loop. This loop is continuously executed. Okay, next my requirement, I want to print this result in horizontally. By default in C language, we are getting the output as a horizontally. If you want to get the row by row, in C language we are using in the printf statement, we are adding slash and symbol. But in by default in Python, automatically taken as a slash and symbol. Now same logic, simply here one attribute is there, end attribute is there. By default, end attribute value is slash n in Python. Now I'm changing slash n to space. Now I'm passing the number is 10. I will get the output is horizontal. By default, end value is slash n. We are not specify any end value. By default, taken as a slash n. That means new line character. Already at the time of discussing print function, we are discussing the syntax. By default, end attribute value is a slash n. Completed. Observing very clearly my requirement, I want to print it only loop values printed horizontally. This by statement I want to print it in the next line. Here by statement is also continuation. But my requirement, I want to print only these loop elements horizontally. Next remaining values are I want to print it line by line. In that situation, before executing the by statement, simply we are calling print function. Okay, that is the print function syntax. What is the by default end attribute value? Slash n. We are not providing any value in the print function. By default end value is slash n. Now I am trying to executing. Now by statement is printed in the next line. Completed. Already at the time of string handling, if you want to print the line by line words at that time, before that word, simply we are adding one character slash n character. Slash n stands for new line character. This is also another option. It depends upon your requirement. We are using any one option. Next, another example. Write a program, print odd numbers from 1 to n natural numbers. Write a program to print odd numbers from 1 to n natural numbers. 1 to n natural numbers. Okay. Now, if I value mod 2 not equal to 0, double equal to 0 means that is a even number. Not equal to 0 means that is a odd number. Print I. If you interest, we are using one more condition. I mod 2 double equal to 1. Anyone? Both conditions we are using anyone. Print I. My requirement, I value I want to increment it every time, whether it is even number or odd number. That's why that increment statement we are written outside the if block. I plus equal to 1. Now I'm passing the number is 10. Now give the output is 13579. These are the odd numbers from 1 to 10. I mod to double equal to 0 means even number. I mod to double equal to 1 means odd number. Or I mod to not equal to 0 means odd number. Now observing very clearly. Now I'm take the number as a 5. My requirement from 1 to 5 odd numbers I want to print it. The post iteration I value is 1, 1 less than or equal to 5. Now condition is true or false. Condition is true. Now control will go to if condition. In that if condition 1 mod 2 not equal to 0. 1 mod 2 not equal to 0 means 1 mod 2 means remainder value is 1. 1 not equal to 0. Condition is true or false. 1 not equal to 0. Condition is true. That's why control will go to if block print I value. What is the I value? What is the I value? 1. 1 is printed. Whether it is even number or odd number, every time I want to incrementing the I value. That's why this I statement, increment statement I am written as outside the if block. By mistakenly, this increment statement we can return within the if block. Whenever that number is odd number, then only I value is updated. Now I equal to I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1 means already I value is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now the post iteration is over. After iteration is over, control will go to again loop. Again, this logic is executed. Now second iteration, 2 less than or equal to 5. Now condition is true. Next one, control will go to if block. Check that condition. 2 mod 2 not equal to 0. 2 mod 2 means what is the remainder value? 2 mod 2, 0. 0 not equal to 0. Condition is true or false? 0 not equal to 0. False. Then immediately control will go to outside the if block. Don't print anything. Now I value is updated. I equal to old I value is 2 incremented by 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Again control will go to while condition. Again this logic is executed. 3 less than or equal to 5. Now condition is true or false. Condition is true. Control go to if block. 3 mod 2 not equal to 0. 3 mod 2 means remainder value is 1. 1 not equal to 0. Condition is true or false? True. Condition is true. That's why control will go to if block. Print I value. What is the I value? I value is 3. 3 is printed. Next one I value is updated. I equal to 3 plus 1, 4. Again control go to while condition. To check that condition, 4 less than or equal to 5. Now condition is true or false? Condition is true. Control will go to again if condition 4 mod 2 not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Condition is true or false? False. Then immediately control will go to if block. Don't executing print statement. Now I value is updated. I value 4 plus 1, 5. Again control will go to while condition. Check the condition. 5 less than or equal to 5. Now condition is true or false? Condition is true. Control will go to again if block. Now 5 mod 2 not equal to 0. 5 mod 2 not equal to 0 means remainder value is 1. 1 not equal to 0. True or false? True. That's why control will go to if block. Print I value. Now what is the I value? 5. 5 is printed. After printing the I value, now I value is updated. 5 plus 1, 6. Again control will go to while condition. 6 less than or equal to 5. Now condition is true or false? False. Whenever our while condition is fail, control will go to outside the while loop. Okay, whenever while condition is true, control will go to while loop. Or whenever while condition is fail, control will go to outside the while loop. Next, another example. Write a program to print numbers in Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence up to n. Write a program to print numbers in Fibonacci series or sequence. Okay, observing very clearly, Fibonacci sequence means, for example, I am taking as a number value is 100. Initially, I am taking as a starting values 0 and 1. My Fibonacci sequence is first I value is printed, next j value is printed, next value is generated. It is adding previous two elements. Previous two elements means 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1. Next element we are generated to add the previous two elements, 1 plus 1, 2. Next element 1 plus 2, 3. Next element 2 plus 3, 5. Next element 3 plus 5, 8. Next element is 5 plus 8, 13. Next one 8 plus 13, 21. Next one 13 plus 21, 34. Next 21, 34, 55. Next 34, 55, 89. Next 55 plus 89, 144. That 144 is greater than 100. Up to 100, this is the Fibonacci sequence. I comma j equal to 0 comma 1. Now I want to print I value end value is space. That means I want to print this output format is horizontal. That's why I'm taking as a end value is space. Next one, I and j values I want to update it. How to updating I comma j equal to j comma I plus j. That is a simple Python program to print the Fibonacci sequence. Don't compare other languages. That is a Fibonacci sequence. Now I am explaining this logic. Okay, now observing very clearly. Already we are discussing Python variable assignments concept. In Python variable assignments, first for suppose here I am passing the number is 100. Up to 100 Fibonacci sequence I want to print it. That is my requirement. Okay, initially, what is the assignment? This 0 is passing to I, this 1 is passing to J. Now I value is 0, J value is 1. Now control will go to here. The post iteration is, what is the post iteration? I value 0 less than or equal to 100. Condition is true or false? Condition is true. Print which value is printed? I value is printed 0. Okay, next value is printed after space. Next one, I want to update these values. I j is equal to j value. What is the j value? 1. Next one, I plus j. I value is 0 plus j value is 1. Now I value is, what is the I value and what is the j value? After executing the statement, what is the I value and what is the j value? I value is 1, j value is also 1. Again, control will go to while condition 1 less than or equal to 100. Now condition is true. Control will go to while loop. Print I. What is the I value? 1. 1 is printed. Next again, these values are updated. I comma j equal to previous j value. What is the j value? 1. Next one, I plus j. I value is 1. J value is 1. Now, after executing this statement, now what is the I value? What is the j value? I value 1. J value is 2. Again, control will go to while condition. Now check the condition 1 less than or equal to 100. Now condition is true or false? Condition is true. Again, control go to while loop. Print I value. What is the I value? Still I value is 1. 1 is printed. Next one, the values are updated. I comma j equal to, what is the I value and what is the j value? I value is previous iteration 1, but what is the j value? J value 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. Now j value is 2. I value 1 plus 2. Now after executing the statement, what is the I value? What is the j value? I value is 2 and j value is 3. Now again control will go to our while condition. What is our while condition? 2 less than are equal to 100. Now condition is true or false? Condition is true. Print which value is printed? I value. What is the I value? I value 2. 2 is printed. Next again these values are updated. I comma j. In the previous iteration j value is 3 and I value is 2. 2 plus 3. After executing the statement, what is the I value? What is the j value? I value is 3, j value is 5. Again control will go to while condition 3 less than or equal to 100. Now condition is true or false? Condition is true. Control will go to while loop, print I value. What is the I value? 3. 3 is printed. Next one, I comma j values are updated. I j equal to, what is the I value and j value? In the previous iteration j value is 5 and I value is 3 plus 5. Are you clear? This is the previous iteration. In the previous iteration I value is 3, j value is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 means 5. In this iteration, now that j value is assigning to I and 3 plus 5 value is assigning to j. Now what is the I value? I value 5. 5 less than or equal to 100. Condition is true or false? Condition is true. Again print I value. What is the I value? 5 is printed. Next I value and j values are updated. I comma j equal to, in the previous iteration, what is the j value? 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 means 8. And which one? I plus j. What is the I value? 5 plus now 8. Again control will go to while condition. Now what is the I value? 8. 8 less than or equal to 100. Condition is true. Now control will go to while loop, print I value. I value is 8 is printed. Next again I and j values are updated. I and j values. In the previous iteration, what is the j value? 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 means 13. Next one, I value is 8 plus j value is 13. Okay. Next again control will go to while loop. Now what is the while condition? I value is 13 and j value is 21. Now check the condition. 13 less than or equal to 100. Now what is the condition? True or false? True. Now print I value. What is the I value? 13 is printed. After printing the I value, now next I and j values are updated. Now how to updating the I and j values? Previous iteration. What is the I value? What is the j value? I value is 13 and j value is 8 plus 13, 21. Now 21. Next one, 13 plus 21. Now again control go to while condition. Now what is the I value? 21 less than or equal to 100. Now condition is true or false? Condition is true. Now control will go to again while loop, print I value. Now the I value is 21 is printed. Next one, I and j values. What is the I and j value? In the previous iteration, what is the j value? 13 plus 21. That means 34 and 21 plus 34. Now again control go to while condition. Check the condition. What is the I value? 34 less than or equal to 100. Now condition is true or false? Condition is true. Control will go to while loop. Print I value. What is the I value? 34. Next one, values are updated. I comma j equal to previous iteration 21 plus 34, 55. Next one, 34 plus 55. Next iteration. What is the next iteration value? 55 less than or equal to 100. Now condition is true or false? Condition is true. Now print Which one? 55. After that one, I and j values are updated. In the previous iteration, what is the j value? 34 plus 55. That means 89. Next one, I value is 55 plus 89. Next again control will go to while condition. Now what is the I value? 89. 89 less than or equal to 100. Now the condition is true. Next, observing very clearly, print I value. What is the print I value? 89 is printed. Next, I value and j values are updated. I comma j equal to previous iteration 55 plus 89. That means 144. Next one, 89 plus 144. Next, again, control will go to while condition. Now, what is the I value? 144 less than or equal to 100. Now, condition is true or false? False. Whenever control will go to while condition is fail, then immediately control will go to while loop outside the while loop. Outside the while loop, don't run any logic. Now print the values. What are the values? What are the values we are printed? 0. Next value 1. Next value we are printing 1. Next value is 2. Next value is 3. Next value is 5. Next value is 8. Next value is 13. Next value is 21. Next value is 34. Next value is 55. Next value is 89. That is the output. Whenever our while condition is true, control go to while loop, this logic is executed. Whenever our while condition is failed, control will go to outside the while loop. Okay, your assignment question. Write a program to print the sum of 1 to n natural numbers. 1 to n natural numbers. Write a program to print the sum of 1 to n natural numbers. Okay. Now observing very clearly. For suppose I am passing num value is 10. My expected output value is, what is the sum value of 1 to 10? Simply in mathematics, we are applying one formula, n into n plus or n minus 1? N plus 1 by 2. N value is 10 into 11 by 2. 2 5s are 10. 5 into 11, 55. But I want to calculating the manually. Okay, first one take the 1 to n natural numbers 10. And the starting number I value I am taking as a 1. This is my input value. I want to take from 1 to 10 numbers, I want to add it. That means first 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, plus up to so on, plus 10. These values I want to calculate. Now what is the output? 55. The second assignment question. Write a program to print the divisibles of the given number. Divisibles of the given number. Write a program to print the divisibles of the given number. For suppose I'm passing num value is 6. My expected output values are 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. For suppose I'm passing number is 9. At that time, I want to expected output is 1, 3, 9. For suppose I'm passing 7. At that time, what are the values? 1, 7. Completed. Next question. Write a program to print vowels from the given string. From the given string. From the given string. Write a program to print vowels from the given string. For suppose observing very clearly, my input string I am passing Shiva. My expected output of vowels are, what are the vowels? I, A. Now I'm passing Krishna. In that situation also, what are the vowels? I, A. For suppose I'm passing Rosam. Now what are the vowels? O, U. We can pass any string. I want to print only vowels from that string. Next, another assignment question. Write a program to print the palindrome words. Palindrome words in a given string. In a given string. Write a program to print the palindrome words in a given string. Palindrome words. Okay, already we were discussing in the previously to check whether given string is palindrome or not. First one, this is my input string. This is my string. First, we need to converting that string into words. After that one, we can take one by one word to check that word is palindrome or not. If it is palindrome, to print that word. My expected output A and level. These are the palindrome words in my string. Okay, already we will discussing everything. Take the string as a input. First, we need to convert that string into words. How to converting words? At the time of string handling, we are discussing one method. By using that method, we can convert in the string into words. After that one, we can take one by one word from that words to check that word is palindrome or not. Already previously we were discussing one program to check whether given string is palindrome or not. Completed. Next, another assignment question. Write a program Write a program to print the multiplication table of the any number or given number. Given number. Write a program to print the multiplication table of the given number. My input I am passing num value is 5. My expected output is fifth table I want to generate it. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2 equal to 10. This format I want to print it. Okay. At the same time, before attending the class, what is Armstrong number and what is palindrome number, what is strong number and what is perfect number. What is Armstrong number? Okay, these are all mathematic numbers. Armstrong number, palindrome number, just a theory. What is Armstrong number? Which number we are calling as Armstrong number and which number we are calling as a palindrome number and which number we are calling as a perfect number and which number we are calling as a strong number and which number we are calling as a prime number. Just a theory definitions. What is Armstrong number? What is palindrome number? What is perfect number? What is strong number and what is prime number? If you are going to any fresher interview, without this program, we are not getting any interview. This is the common. Any programming language you are selecting, but theoretically this is the common. Just a coding part is different, depends upon your selected language. But this is the common examples. What is palindrome, Armstrong number, perfect number, strong number and prime number. Completed. If anybody any doubt today's session,